If you're looking to invest in the booming world of artificial intelligence, 2024 is shaping up to be an exciting year. AI technology is revolutionizing nearly every industry, and it's no surprise that AI stocks are among the hottest on the market right now. In this video, we'll dive into 4 standout AI stocks to keep on your radar this year: Soundhound AI, Soun, Alibaba, BABA, Shopify, Shop, and Unity Software U. We'll break down what each company does, why they're significant in the AI space, and how they compare in terms of growth potential. So, let's get started. 1. Soundhound AI, Soun. Let's kick things off with Soundhound AI, Soun. Soundhound has been making waves in the AI world, specifically in voice AI and natural language processing. They specialize in developing advanced voice recognition systems that can understand human speech in a natural, conversational way. Their technology is used in various industries, including automotive, hospitality, and consumer electronics. If you've ever used voice assistants or voice search technology in a smart device, there's a good chance Soundhound's AI is behind it. The voice AI market is projected to grow significantly, especially as more companies integrate voice assistants into products and services. Soundhound stands out because of its proprietary technology, which allows for faster and more accurate responses than many competitors. Why consider Soun stock? A growth potential. The demand for voice-enabled AI systems is growing rapidly. Industry reach. Soundhound partners with major automotive and technology companies, giving it a foothold in high-growth industries. Innovative edge. Their technology has shown a significant edge over competitors, particularly in multi-language support and understanding complex voice commands. While Soundhound is still a relatively small company compared to giants like Alibaba or Shopify, its specialization in voice AI makes it a compelling stock for investors looking to tap into a more niche but rapidly growing segment of the AI industry. Alibaba, Baba. Next up, we have Alibaba, BABA, the Chinese e-commerce and cloud computing giant. Alibaba may not be the first company that comes to mind when you think of AI, but make no mistake, AI is a key driver of their future growth. Alibaba has invested heavily in AI research and development, focusing on everything from AI-powered e-commerce algorithms to cloud computing and even autonomous driving technologies. Through its cloud platform, Alibaba Cloud, the company has integrated AI into services like data analytics, machine learning, and AI-driven automation for enterprises. They're also a leader in the development of AI-powered customer service bots, and their AI research division has produced significant advancements in natural language processing, computer vision, and deep learning. Why consider Alibaba stock? Scale. Alibaba's AI applications are vast and impact multiple industries, including e-commerce, cloud computing, and logistics. Strong R&D. Alibaba is one of the leading companies investing in AI, with a global research presence. China's AI market leader. As one of the largest tech companies in China, Alibaba is well-positioned to dominate the Chinese AI landscape. Despite some geopolitical concerns around Chinese stocks, Alibaba's diversified business model and AI-driven innovations make it an attractive investment in the AI space for 2024. 3. Shopify, Shop. Now, let's talk about Shopify, Shop. Shopify is a major player in the e-commerce world, enabling millions of businesses to set up online stores. But what sets Shopify apart is how they are using AI to enhance their platform and improve the overall customer experience. Shopify is leveraging AI to power recommendation engines, optimize search results, and automate marketing and customer service tools. For example, Shopify uses AI to help business owners make data-driven decisions, predict inventory needs, and create personalized shopping experiences for consumers. Their use of AI not only improves the functionality of their platform, but also helps small businesses compete on a larger scale by providing enterprise-level technology at an affordable price. Why consider Shop stock? AI-driven innovation. Shopify's AI tools help businesses optimize their operations and customer engagement. A growing e-commerce trend. As more businesses move online, Shopify is well-positioned to capture a large share of the market. A recurring revenue model. Shopify's subscription-based business model provides consistent revenue streams, enhanced by AI-powered tools that keep customers engaged. With e-commerce continuing to boom globally, Shopify's commitment to AI innovation will likely drive future growth, making it a solid investment for those interested in both e-commerce and AI. 4. Unity Software. Last but not least, we have Unity Software. Unity is best known for its game development platform, which is widely used to create video games, virtual reality, VR, content, and simulations. What makes Unity particularly exciting in 2024 is its integration of AI into game development and beyond. Unity is using AI to streamline game creation, offering developers AI tools that can generate code, optimize graphics, and even create realistic environments automatically. Additionally, Unity's AI technology has applications beyond gaming, including architecture, automotive simulations, and filmmaking. This positions Unity as a major player not just in gaming, but in industries that are adopting real-time 3D simulations powered by AI. Why consider you stock? A gaming and beyond. While gaming remains its core business, Unity's AI-driven technology has expanded into multiple industries like VR, AR, and autonomous driving simulations. Massive growth potential. The adoption of AI tools in the creation of real-time 3D content is expected to grow significantly in the coming years. Innovation leader. Unity is at the forefront of combining AI with real-time 3D rendering, a field that is only growing in importance across industries. If you're looking for a company that is pushing the boundaries of how AI can be used in creative and industrial applications, Unity Software could be an excellent choice for your portfolio. So there you have it. 4 AI stocks to keep on your radar in 2024. Soundhound AI, Alibaba, Shopify, and Unity Software. Each of these companies is using AI in innovative ways and has significant growth potential as AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives and global industries. Whether you're interested in voice AI with Soundhound, cloud and e-commerce AI with Alibaba, AI-driven small business tools with Shopify, or cutting-edge AI in gaming and 3D simulations with Unity, these stocks offer diverse ways to invest in the future of artificial intelligence. As always, be sure to do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future updates.